Hello everyone, welcome to MAXGE Live broadcast. I'm Cherish, one of the regional business manager of MAXGE Electric. I'm very happy to introduce our company's products online this time. Because of the COVID-19 this year, it's regret that we cannot communicate with you face to face. But it's still grateful that we can it's great. It's still very grateful to the organizer of the Canton Fair for providing us such a platform that allows us to display the product and communicate with the customer online. Firstly, let me introduce our company. Our company name is MAXGE Electric. It is one of the professional manufacturers of making the low voltage electric products in China. The product is including the MCB, RCCB, RCBO, MCCB, isolator, AC contactor, thermal overload relay, distribution box, and so on. Our company is located in Deqing County and Zhejiang Province. Here is a beautiful city and has a convenient transportation. It is about 2.5 hours from our company to Shanghai Pudong International Airport and 1 hour to the Hangzhou Airport. I hope everything will recover soon. After the epidemic, we sincerely invite you to visit our company to get to know more about us. The topic I talk about today is some of our best-selling industry products. If you have any questions, you can contact us via the online message or offline mailbox, and WeChat, WhatsApp, or other methods. Our industry products are relatively comprehensive and completed, so that we can provide a completed product chain to our customer and the end customer. If the customer buy one product from us, they normally can buy the related product and complete most of the industry equipment that is installed the electrical products. The first product I introduced today is our AC contactor SGC1-DW. You can see this product. You can see first the appearance of this product. Here is a dust cover. I will take it out so you can see more. I wanted to stand up to indicate the product well. Here you can see we print the model here, and normally you can print your logo inside of both on the dust cover and also the model here. And I will also open this product to help our customer to understand well about our product. I already opened some of the screw in advance, and now you can see I will take out the silver contact first. Oh, sorry. Just wait a moment. And then another side. Okay, the first part is the silver contactor. This is the three set of the fixed contactor of the contactor. And another one is the auxiliary contactor. And I will open it. You can see here, this is the, you can see the plastic part, match the fixed contactor and the moving contactor. Here, oh sorry, here is the iron core, up iron core, and I will take out. Here, you can see the moving contactor here. Both the moving contactor and the fixed contactor, we use the 85% silver to achieve the high mechanical and electrical life. Second, you can see here the coil and and the bottom iron core inside, and the rubber part. About our AC contactor, you can see here the base and the cover. We use the most environmentally friendly and flame retardant materials. The currently we can do is from 9 ampere to 95 ampere. 3-pole and 4-pole are both available. And also, you can see the rubber parts inside also are environmentally material. Now you can see our PPT to help you know more about our electrical information. Our company has more than 15 years experience of making the AC contactor. We have an experienced team to ensure the product have a stable quality. Each year, we exported about 500,000 pieces AC contactor all around the world, and the qualified rate is about 99%. Just now, the contactor I introduced is our SGC1-DW. The ampere, the current only can be made from 9 to 95 ampere. If a customer needs a more larger current, we will introduce another type SGC1-F. I didn't display the sample here, but you can see the PPT to get a view of the product. The current of this AC contactor can made from 115 to 800. 3-pole and 4-pole are both available. We also have corresponding AC core, DC core, auxiliary block, and mechanical interlock to match this product. And next, regarding our mini contactor SGC1-K and EC, it has a small volume, no coil noise, quite high operation efficiency, and energy saving and cost saving. Can be used anywhere. The current can be from 6 ampere to 12 ampere. We also have DC core operation contactor and the power contactor. Now, more and more occasions need to use the modular contactor. because the traditional contactor can no longer meet the diverse needs. Our modular contactor EPC-1 can be used in lighting, exhaust, heating, roller blinds, and so on. In most industry and civil buildings, we have the automatic modular contactor and manual contactor can be chosen. Customers can select according to their actual needs. You can see our PPT's modular contactor can be 1 to 4 port. The next product I will introduce is the friend and the good partner of the AC contactor, the overload thermal relay. Oh, and maybe I need to move the components here. Oh, thanks for the. You can see the product here. First, you can see the appearance of this product. This is a table. We adjust the current. Before we use the overload thermal relay, we need to make sure the overload current first, and to adjust this table into a right position. Here you can see the test button to test the manual overload, and this is the stop button and reset button. Here you can see the 19.5 and 19.6. It's a constantly close contact to connect to the overload. If the overload occurs, it will cut off the line. And here you can see the constantly open contactor, 19.7 and 19.8. It normally will connect it to the indicating light or alarm. When the indicating lamp show light, it normally show that it is overload, it's a fault state. And you can see the product. This is the input power of the product. Normally connect to the low end of the contactor. And the bottom end normally connected to the motor. Customer can choose according to their own needs because we have the completed range of the current. In general, the requirement of the customer on the market for the thermal relay to make one current of the standard time delay. If the product can pass the test, it shows that the product is qualified. But according to IEC 60947, it must pass both small current and big current must pass the test. This requirement is strictly, it's very strict. But our product can meet this requirement. We have been exporting to the Egyptian market for more than 5 years. The customs of this country are required to carry out a mandatory test of this product. Only after passing the test, the product can enter this market. Our thermal relay have always been able to successfully sold in this country, and we can see that our product the quality is really very stable. Next product is our magnetic starter SGE1-D. You can see here we have both black AC contactor and white contactor can be chosen, and we have both plastic and base cover and base magnetic starter box to be selected. The thermal relay we just introduced have the overload function, but if it has no overload function, therefore a more comprehensive and motor protection circuit breaker is needed at this time. Our MPCB SGV2-ME can be used as a distribution line and infrequent load conversion for the overload. Face value, short circuit protection, and infrequent start control, and can be used in isolation. Many of the components inside are all environmentally friendly and can be recycled used. Our performance is also very stable. It is also exported to Egyptian market for many years and passed 2-level test. Next product we will talk about is our ACB. As we know, the ACB characteristic of the ACB is that the components of the switch are installed on a metal frame, and all the components are not closed. Compared to the molded case circuit breaker, the current of the ACB can be from 630 to 6300 ampere, and the accessory of the ACB can be chosen and completed. You can see we have all the completed range of the accessory. Next, we will introduce our ATS. Here are our most popular ATS. You can see first one is GA type. 3-pole and 4-pole are both available. The maximum current of the ATS, GA type ATS is 1600 ampere. And the next one is NA ATS. You can see there are controller can be chosen. And the next one is the ATS with MPCB type. This type we have 2 controllers. One is on the body and another one is separate. You can choose according to your actual needs. And you can see we also have some automatic isolator and manual isolator. We also have many products on the industry area, such like the indicating light, push button, limiter switch, and meters to choose from. Thank you for watching our live broadcast today. If you have any inquiries, you can use the contact information on the PPT below to contact us. Thank you.